Hello, thank you for checking out A1 Math, and today we're looking at using the explicit and recursive formula for finding the arithmetic sequence and using that to find the first 5 terms. So let's begin. All right, starting with the explicit formula, what you want to do is, since we're doing 5 terms, we're going to plug in those actual numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, n for n, and find out what's that going to be, okay? So first we're going to do 1. So we'll have a sub 1 is equal to 25 plus 1 minus 1 times negative 20. All right, and once we do that, we'll have 25 plus 0 times negative 20. And then 0 times negative 20 will be 0, so we're left with 25. So the first term is 25. All right, now I'm going to do a sub 2. Okay, that's going to be equal to 25 plus 2 minus 1 times negative 20. All right, and once I do that, I'll have 25 plus 1 times negative 20. And that'll get me 25 plus a negative 20, or 25 minus 20. That gets me 5. So the next term would be 5. All right. Now let's do a sub 3. All right, so a sub 3 will be 25 plus 3 minus 1 times negative 20. Now you got 25 plus 2 times negative 20. That'll leave me with 25 plus negative 40. But let me write that like this. 25 minus 40. And that's going to get me negative 15. All right. And as you can see, there's a pattern. 25 minus 20 is going to get me negative 5. And then 5 minus 20 is going to give me negative 15. So to get the rest of it, instead of keep plugging it in, we'll just do negative 20 minus 15. And that's going to give me negative 35. And then negative 35 minus 20. And that's going to give me negative 20. And that'll be my first 5 terms. Oh, I don't know where I got negative 20 from. Try negative 55. Okay, and that's using the explicit formula to find an arithmetic sequence. Now let's take a look at using the recursive formula. All right, so here we have the recursive formula, and they give us the first term already. So I'm gonna go ahead and write that out, -25. And with the recursive formula, what you want to do is every time you find a value, you're going to plug that in here and add 8 to it. All right, so for the first term, I already have -25. So now I'm going to take the -25 and add 8 to it. And when I do that, I get 17. -17. All right, so now I'm going to take the -17 for my third term and add 8 to it. That's going to give me -9. And now I'm going to take -9 and add 8 to it. And that's going to get me -1. All right, and finally for my last one, I have -1 plus 8. That's going to give me +7. Here's my first 5 terms of the arithmetic sequence using the recursive formula. Okay, so that's the recursive formula and the arithmetic formula, finding the next 5 terms. Once they check out A1 Math, have a nice day.